Everyone, so this side Devanshi. I'm a BA LLB fourth year student, and I'm now moving towards another legal magazine, that is Just Scriptum. Just Scriptum is a Latin term that means written law. It refers to laws that are written down and recorded, as opposed to laws that are passed down through tradition or custom. Written laws are important because they provide a clear and consistent set of rules that everyone can follow. They are often created by government or other official bodies and can be enforced by courts and other legal authorities. See, I have told you about just non-scriptum, and now in this video I am telling about just scriptum. What is the difference between non-scriptum and just non-scriptum and just scriptum? See, just non-scriptums are also the laws only, but they are customary laws based on our tradition, okay, based on our traditional practices. They are unwritten laws, but just scriptums are the laws passed by our government, our parliament, and our legislation. It can be verified in court, or we can take action if they will get violated in near future, or if someone violate our laws and something like that. But customary laws, or we can say just non-scriptum, actually we can't if anyone can violate the traditional practices, traditional old practices, what we say, it's okay, fine, time change ho chuka hai. But if anyone violate our legal laws and anything related to law, what we will say, इसके ऊपर ये charges हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. Because why? Because they are written laws. Just scriptum are all about written laws made by our government, parliament, legislation, verified by our judiciary. ठीक है? So this is a huge difference between just non-scriptum and just scriptum. So that's it for this legal magazine. I'll back with some other legal magazine. Till then, good day.